Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and I make videos all about our home and our life. Today I'm back with another mini makeover. Let's jump right in. Today I made over this small awkward wall in our kitchen. It's really central in our living space, so it was bugging me for so long that it was just empty. The door that the wall is next to leads into our laundry, which goes to the garage. So I had this little key holder that was up there because it was easy for our keys to be right at the door. But because the garage is right there, this bench ended up being the spot where we just gathered random junk. So I wanted to make it more styled and put it in a shelf or something so that there was something to hold all the random gathered junk. I'll be honest, this isn't the first time I've tried to decorate this space. The first time round, it did not go so well. I had this vision of these beautiful glass wall planters that were going to hang seamlessly on the wall, and my idea literally shattered to pieces. I sliced my hand open in 3 places. I have the tiniest of scars to prove it. I had a huge meltdown at the amount of blood, not my thing. And then 3 weeks later, I tried again with a plastic version. Now, it doesn't quite have the same effect as my original vision, but I still like it. Unfortunately, I've completely lost the footage of this happening, which would have been hilarious to look back on, but I do have these wonderful photos that I can show you. So, second time round, I started by clearing and cleaning the space and getting it ready to make over. I laid out all the things I wanted to use across the bench so that I could see them and figure out where I wanted to put them on the wall. Some things I already had, like the shelf and all the stuff I used to decorate with, but other things I bought, like the clock, which was $12, the corkboard, which was $5, and the pins to go with it, which were like $1.20 or something, and the plastic plant holder, which was $13, I think, and the glass plant holders, but we're not going to talk about those because they were a disaster and I don't recommend them. Everything I got was either from Target, Big W, or eBay. I will leave links to everything down below. Once I was ready to put everything up, I held things up to get a general idea of how they would look once I put them on the wall, and then I used blue tack to temporarily hold them there so I could stand back and have a look to see if I liked it. When I was happy with where everything was, I got out our trusty 3M Velcros and hooks and hung everything up properly. Once everything was up on the wall, I added some fresh soil into the black part of this plastic plant holder. I had to fill it up pretty much the whole way so you could see my tiny little baby plant. Side note, he is my only living plant. He was given to me for Christmas last year and miraculously he is still alive. So hopefully he survives this move. Once the plant was in his new home, I added some finishing touches by putting things on the corkboard, and I made sure that the shelf was reasonably clear because I knew that it would still be a dumping ground for random stuff. So at least it would be contained. Then that was it for this little mini makeover. That's all from me today, guys. Leave a comment down below and tell me where your random dumping ground is in your house. I hope you liked this mini makeover. Please leave a like or comment and subscribe to my channel because all of those things really help me out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Annie, we're done. Yay. Yeah. Are you happy? Hello. Oh. Hello.
While I've been filming, these two doggies have got out every toy they own.
Bruh, where'd you get the stick?